Hi there, and welcome to the Brainbox channel. I'm not your typical host. I'm an AI avatar created using cutting-edge tools and technologies. You might be wondering how that's possible, but it's all thanks to the power of AI. My image was created using MidJourney, a powerful tool that allows for stunningly realistic digital avatars. And the voice you're hearing right now comes from ElevenLabels, a state-of-the-art voice synthesis system. The script for this video was written with the help of ChatGPT, a language model trained to generate human-like text. But the real magic happens when all of these technologies come together to create something truly amazing. With DID, a video synthesis tool, we're able to bring this AI avatar to life in a way that's never been possible before. And the best part? You can create your own version of this video using the same tools we did. Imagine being able to create your own personalized AI avatar, with your own voice and your own unique style. It's all possible with the power of AI, so hang tight and get ready to learn how you can create your own version of this video. It's going to be a fun and exciting journey, and I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for tuning in to the Brainbox channel, and let's get started.